Good evening from NTID. I wanted to communicate directly with you, the students, through this short video vlog. So far here in Rochester at RIT, President Munson and his management team have been making some decisions in which they communicate and relay information to you through this website. Please check the website daily for new and additional information. NTID faculty, staff, interpreters, captionists, and support people are here preparing for classes to begin remotely online next week. Please continue to check this website for any additional information you may need with respect to your classes or extra support that is required. Your health and your safety is our #1 priority as the world deals with this coronavirus crisis. Please focus on yourself, take care of your health and safety, and let us know if there's any way we can additionally support you. Together, we as NTID will overcome this crisis. You, your family, and your loved ones are all in our thoughts and prayers. Now, I've asked my colleague, Gary Beam, to provide some additional information on academic affairs.
Hello. I want to let you know that we are still working out many details, but here is important information for you to know. First, I want you to know that your ability to successfully complete your coursework for the spring 2020 semester is very important to us. I want to assure you that you have the full support of RIT NTID, including your faculty, staff, and advisors, who will be helping you through the remainder of the semester. Please continue to check your RIT email and My Courses for updates and information. And now, Tim Alpert, Director of the NTID Student Life Team, will share some more specific information with you. Hello, I'm Tim Alpert. I'm the Director of the NTID Student Life Team. We want to provide more information to you about RIT NTID's change to offer your courses in alternative ways. We want you to know the plan we are developing here at NTID. Classes. Classes are canceled from March 16th to the 22nd, 2020. Classes will resume March 23rd, 2020, and all instruction will be offered using alternative modes. There will be no face-to-face instruction offered on campus. Students should expect to hear from faculty with more information about your courses. Academic advisors continue to be available. Work with your advisor to determine the best way to connect for advising, video conferencing, email, etc. Students using Access Services and DSO will continue to be supported through alternative delivery modes for the spring semester. Remote technology assistance. Online classes will be a new experience for many students. You'll be working with technology in new ways. Please contact your instructors if you have any questions about the technology you need to access your courses. Any student who needs assistance with any RIT-supported technologies can also contact the ITS Service Desk or the NTID Help Desk. Campus facilities. Students are strongly discouraged from returning to campus. If you're home, stay home. Many services, such as dining and transportation, will be operating on reduced and modified schedules. RIT has closed spaces where large groups of people come together, including the Student Life Center, Red Barn, and Global Village retail areas. RIT made the decision to close university housing. If you live in university housing, you must leave no later than April 5th. If you're still on campus and in university housing, you must update your spring residential plan on the My Life portal. If you can't leave or have no safe place to go, you should indicate that on your spring residential plan. If you're not on campus and need to get things in order to successfully finish the semester, you must schedule an appointment through the spring residential plan on the My Life portal. If you are in RIT housing and are worried about your belongings, we will provide information on how to get them safely stored until you can return. Books and supplies. Please communicate directly with your faculty and academic advisor about any specific course materials you need. Accommodations. For access questions, please contact the Department of Access Services, DAS, at accessservices@rit.edu. For disability-related accommodations, please contact the DSO office at dso@rit.edu. Cooperative experiences and other experiential learning. If you're currently away from campus on co-op, student teaching, or clinical placements, you should continue those assignments, working closely with your employer and supervisor. For co-op, visit the university website, coronavirusresponse.rit.edu. For FAQs, or contact your employment advisor in the NTID Center on Employment. Assistantships. If you have an assistantship on campus, you should work directly with your supervisor to make needed adjustments. Student employment. Please immediately reach out to your supervisor to let them know of your plans for the remainder of the semester. Please check with them to determine if there are any remote work opportunities. You will have work available until you leave campus. Some of the jobs have shifted, so you may not be doing the same work, but you will be paid your normal rate. If you have any further questions, please contact the Student Employment Office at 585-475-2631 or studentemployment@rit.edu. International students. If you are an international student and have questions or concerns about your visa or related issues, you should contact International Student Services at iss@rit.edu or 585-475-7433. As long as you're still enrolled and you continue your studies online, ISS says there will be no negative impact on your immigration status, whether or not you remain in the U.S. Student health. The best way to prevent illness is to make every effort to avoid exposure to this virus. Wash your hands often and thoroughly for at least 20 seconds. Cover coughs with a tissue or your elbow. Don't touch your eyes, nose, mouth, or face. Students should practice social distancing. which means staying away from other people, and you should avoid large gatherings. If you think you've been exposed to COVID-19, or if you feel ill, call your personal health care provider for medical advice. You may also contact the RIT Student Health Center at 585-475-2255 or email studenthealth@rit.edu. In addition to physical health services, you can reach our counseling and psychological services at 585-475-2261. For after-hours mental health needs, call 855-436-1245. There will be limited staff available on-site at the Student Health Center and Counseling and Psychological Services. Please let us know if you have any questions, and we will continue to provide updates as planning and the situation evolve. Our highest priority is your health and well-being. Our goal is to help you continue to make progress toward your degree. The entire college is here to support you as we navigate a different pathway than we expected this semester. Please email questions to coronavirusresponse@rit.edu and continue to check rit.edu/coronavirus for updates. Thank you.